Hey Mumbaikars, hello and welcome to Style Cushion. Today we are at Thane West at Revolution, which not only have a collection for women but also for men. Revolution is a unisex boutique situated at Thane, a city of lake.
We started with the store a year back. The reason I started this store was I stay in Thane for 17 years, and being in Thane for 17 years, I've never shopped in Thane.
The idea of starting this shop, just derived in a month. Okay, in December we were just chilling out with my friends, and we thought of opening a boutique out here for males as well as for females.
The reason being I never liked the collection of Thane, and the prices were too hiked up.
We always used to go downside for shopping, or we prefer any malls to shop. So that was the basic idea behind opening this shop. Okay.
When I started this, I had this in my mind that whatever I get here, the collection, that's going to be the best collection in Thane itself.
So we wanted to get into the market and give a tough competition to those people who have boutiques running out here.
The name of my store is Revolution. The reason this name derived was we thought we want to start the new fashion, the new revolution in Thane, and that's all about for women and men as well.
The first store, I think, Revolution, which has everything and in a good quality, and it at the same time with the good price also. So I'm loving it.
Revolution is a two-story boutique, the lower section having the men's collection and the upper section being for women. The women's section consists of accessories like belts, bags, jewelries and shoes, which can also be made to order, and clothes like casual wear, party wear and formal clothes.
We have all kind of stuff, from the formal sections to western. If you see the latest trend, even yourself, when you go for shopping, you're not specific about what you want. In recent times, it's like every day they want to have something new in their wardrobe, and that's how we started. It's bifurcated. This is all the one-piece collection. Then we have a range of jackets. That would be formal jackets. That would be western jackets. That would be party wear jackets. So we have various kind of collections, even shrugs we have, and then we have the normal basic tops what we wear every day, and then we have our jewelry section out here. Then we have a section this side also where we would display shirts. As per the summer collection, we've got the latest shirt which we've displayed out here. Semi-casual shirts. The latest in is the synthetic and the hosiery material.
Yes, I am here for some summer casuals. Maybe I can have a look at it, and let's see what is the collection now.
We have a very good range of cotton collection that is common, and if you know, the trend for now is the neon colors. Everyone wants the bright colors and the peppy colors, so we have a wide range of neon tops, and say about the razor bags, and we have the ultra shorts what we have in our store right now.
Hi, my name's Claire and I'm here at Revolution, and I'm going to buy some handbags and clutches for myself.
When we all started with this, okay, it was not that I keep all imported stuff, but it's not just that whatever is available with my vendors, I would pick those stuff. It's not like that. We do a lot of research. I would go and check with stores what is the latest collection going on, because everybody is so brand conscious nowadays. They would not prefer something. If I am maintaining a brand like Revolution, I need to define it, why the name is Revolution and why the fashion. I want to say so that it's the fashion trend what we have out here. So I do a lot of research. So I would ask my vendors to alter, stitch and make patterns. Aping, I think it's the new trend for everyone. I would say that yes, I do ape with brands, but then that's absolutely fine. If I'm giving something which is worth 3,000 in a mall at 500 rupees out here, it hardly doesn't matter to my customers.
I've been visiting the shop since like 1.5 years, and I'm really happy with their collections.
Revolution have a wide variety for menswear, from anything to everything.
For men's, we have wide range of t-shirts, starting from round necks, V-neck, collar t-shirts. We have basics, we have printed t-shirts in Indian as well as imported. Similarly, we have shirts wherein we have half sleeve shirts, full sleeve shirts, party wears, and then imported shirts as well. Then we have jeans ranging from 1,000 to 5,000, depending on the quality, depending on the patterns that we have, depending on the colors and everything. Then we started off with shorts and trousers because it's a summer season, so we wanted people to chillax in their shorts and pajamas. Then we also have cotton trousers, chinos as well. We also have blazers, waistcoats, jackets.
One of my friend recommended Revolution. There is a shop in Thane, and like the stuffs over here are really cool. So I have visited last month itself, but now I have become the regular customer, and like I have been shopping here at least 2 to 3 times in a month. There is an occasion in my family, wedding is going on, so I'm just here to check out some blazers over here.
Take orders on special recommendations for shoes and bags, like sling bags for guys. Okay. We have a small but worthy collection of accessories like glares, deos, perfumes, then also wallets, belts. So all in all, you get all the accessories as well as the clothes that you want for a trendy lifestyle as well as for a formal and semi-formal lifestyle.
Stuffs out of here are really cool. Like if at the time I came here for the first time, it was a first time for me, and I found out something new clothes, like new types of whatever the fashions are going on in this Mumbai and everything.
It was time to ask the customer for their feedback and rate the store on the basis of ambience.
Ambience would be 4.5.
Ambience, I would say 5.
Ambience, if opportunity is given to me, I will rate it 6 out of 5.
Quality of the product.
Quality will be 5.
It's nice. It's 4.5 to 5.
Quality out of 5 will be 4.5 out of 5. The quality of the products are really good. All the international brands are over there.
Customer satisfaction.
5.
4.5.
5. The service is really cool. Like the owner of this shop, Mr. Sadiq Sheikh, he's very close to me, and the relationship he's giving to me, no one can give it to.
Price.
Price 4.
Price 4.
It will be 5 out of 5. We can say it's a cost advantage we can get over here, and the quality which we are giving over, what we are getting over here, it's directly matched over the payment what you are giving.
And I have been buying clothes since a year now, and I'm really happy I have got such kind of a shop. I have been searching a lot. Here I get really good clothes, really trendy, and this is a shop where I see all the fashions getting updated regularly. So I really like it.
Yeah, of course, I will tell all my friends to come over here, and I have already recommended some of my friends, and they have started coming over here.
I think they can go for some casuals and some bag shopping, and yes, gents can go for their glares. Yes, of course.
Yeah, definitely. I'll tell all my friends, as this is a unisex shop, I would like to suggest everyone. I think I've suggested many friends also, and they have been coming here, and even they are happy.
The store definitely stand by its name, Revolution. So all you fashion lovers, do pay a visit. We'll be back next time with lots of other style statements and fashion funda only for you. Till then, you keep watching City First.